How to delete all Instagram messages at once. So if you want to delete all of your Instagram messages at once, then what you need to do is simply log into your Instagram application. Open up your Instagram. Once you've opened your Instagram, you need to go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon. So if you want to delete all of your Instagram messages at once, then you need to switch your account to a professional account or a business account. So go for settings and privacy and then scroll all the way down. Here you may have account types and tools. Search for that. And here you need to simply go for switch to professional account and tap on continue, which is on the bottom of your screen. Choose a reason or choose and then choose on done. Tap on done, which is on the bottom of your screen. Tap on OK and switch your account to a professional account. So it may take some time to switch. If you are a creator, choose a creator, or you can simply choose a business. Tap on next, tap on continue, and that's it. You can set up your professional account later. So go back and now reload your page. So now you have your professional account, right? And now what you need to do is simply go for the home page, reload your page, and go for your messages, which is on the upper right. Once you're here on the messages, once you're here on the messages with your professional account, you can go for the upper right, which has that three dots or the three bat icon. Tap on that, and here you can select the chats. So simply select the chats that you would like to delete. Select them and then tap on delete, which is on the bottom right. Once you tap on delete, your messages will be deleted. So that's how you can delete all of your Instagram messages at once with your professional account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.